Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis, part two of this week, 24th of March 2025. So today we have made first video, and this is part two of our weekly analysis. So if you have not watched the part one, please go and do so. We have part one. So if this is your first time of joining our weekly analysis, please subscribe to the channel Dubiss Forex Academy. Ensure you like our video. We want to see your comment in the comment section. More especially those that are trading with analysis. If you're using an analysis and you're trading and making money and you are not giving us your feedback, you're not doing well. Please, let's have your response. Let's have your feedback rather. Let's have your feedback so that you will encourage us for us to know that you are trading, making progress, making money, making profits using our weekly analysis. So we have already analyzed gold, GBUS, Euro US, Euro GBP, NZUS, USD CAD, GBCHL. Where we are now is on USDCHL. So if these ones I mentioned, go and watch part A, you see it. So USDCHL is where exactly we are. And USDCHF, before this happened, we already drawn this. This was already drawn last 2 weeks. We told you that price will move up, come down to get liquidity, giving us W-like shape. Go and watch last 3 weeks video, last 2 weeks video. You will see it. That's why I'm always excited when it comes to giving people our thought, giving people analysis, the trends, the events, and then both technical and fundamentals. I'm always happy to share our thoughts because most time our analysis is 90% accurate. Our win rate is 90% plus. The one I've analyzed, in fact, if you check our previous video, the one of part A, part one, you see that GBUSD did well, Euro USD, Euro GBP, all this gave us huge profit, even gold, but though gold did not go exactly the way it was analyzed because we were anticipating gold to fall from that 3,000, we broke it and went ahead, but we still made profits from gold. So look at USDCHF. Right now, price just tap in our liquidity zone. From there, price is already moving up. When it comes to level trading, it's a matter of you being patient. This is already 90 pips already. For those of you that have been following us, and we have highlighted this liquidity zone, which is exactly where price touched. Go and watch last 2 weeks, last 3 weeks, and last week video. All these analysis have been there. And eventually, it happened like that. We draw this when price have not even gotten here. We draw this when price was here. We told you that it will move up, come down, and then move up. And it went up, come down, and it's already going up. Please, guys, you need to encourage us by at least for those of you that watched this video, you followed this analysis, you took whether you take trade or you took the trade or not, just comment. All right. If you followed this analysis and it's playing out the way as analyzed, please comment in the comment section. Let us know that actually what we said or what we are saying is correct. Please, we want to see your feedback in the comment section. So we still have more room up. Remember, this is the liquidity zone. So once you see price around here, of course, you must have partial close your position and move your stop loss to entry point. So we're expecting price to move further up to this zone. That is analysis for USDCHF for this week. And congratulations to those that took that trade. So for JPY, so let's look at JPY first. Let's bring the JPY first together. Let's look for that JPY as well. So bring it together so that we'll finish with the JPY first before we move. All right, so we had more especially 3 of the JPY pairs that we analyzed is moving as analyzed. So we analyzed 4 JPY pairs starting with GBP, JPY. and GPJPY have been moving, and we made crazy profit from this movement from here, from our zone here, which is our demand zone. From this demand zone, equity zone, we highlighted, and price started moving. And right now, let's measure and see how many pips that this price have already made. This price have already made over 500 pips, and we sold GPJPY last week. Those in paid group may be asking, why did we decide to sell when we are expecting price to get here? Of course, you know that price will not just be moving without retracing. So you can see, let me show you something so that you see why, for those of you in paid group, why we decided to take this trade. All right, why we decided to take see, this is this is see how many times, look at it. Price got here. When price got here again, in fact, if you even pick this again and then you go here, if you pick it again and go here, you see another time price also touch around this zone. So this zone have been price. Each time price get to around this zone, you see price will do what? Price will fall. So now it got here, it fall. Look at it. So this zone, when we saw that price as I was moving from support zone here, which is a equity zone, demand zone, and price was going, and it touched this area, we know that it's going to respect this area. So what did we do? We entered our sell, all right, from here, and that sell was 250 pips, and this information was given to those in our pay group. Look at it, it gave us over 280 pips bet. Our TP5 is 250 pips, so it gave us exactly our TP5, and we closed the trade and made a lot of profit. Go to our, let me show you on our page group so that you see, so that you know that what I'm saying is not just to say. All right, this is our free group. We can see the results. See the results here. GPY, this 250 pips. All right, this is our paid group, or not our free group. Let me show you when it was sent so that you see what I'm saying. Look at it. We send GBJPY 194.60, and it got to 192.10. Look at 192.10. Look at it. I can show you so that you understand. For those of you that are always asking me 192.10, they're always asking me, can you show us? Look at it, our TP5. We touch our TP5. This is our TP. Let me show you the entry point also. So for those of you, maybe you're doubting, are you sure the result? Look at it again before we show you. Are you sure the result is sending is correct? 194.60. So 194.60. This is 194.60, which is our entry point. Look at it. Exactly from here to here, we cash out. All right, price is also moving up again. So the analysis we did, which is price getting to this zone, it could take up to 3 months before it gets here. Please, guys, just send us a message and encourage us. All right, appreciate us. So let's go to GBP CHF. GBP, sorry, CHF JPY rather. Remember, I want to see, check all the JPY first. CHF JPY from our liquidity zone, our demand zone, price have been moving. It's still moving. Remember, we told you that price will move up. Look at it. This is 490 pips. This is where we're anticipating this price to get. Let me show you. This is the destination. We are waiting for this price to get. This is our destination, which most likely it may even break it. All right. Of course, there are hurdles on the way before it gets to this destination. That is it. So over 490 pips already, almost 500 pips for CHF JPY. All right. What of CAD JPY? CAD JPY have hit our TP1. Go and watch our previous video. I told you I draw this on our last video. All right. This trade has been there for over 2 weeks. The last video, I told you that we are going to book our first TP at 38.2. This is different for our pay group. Our pay group have already made 250 pips because when you measure from here where we started, from here you see this is over 250 pips. This is already 400 something pips. But the analysis we did, we told you that TP1 is 38.2, which you can see it got to 38.2 and price started falling. Eventually now it has broken 38.2. They respected it. Right now is moving again towards 50.0. This is actually Fibonacci retracement. If you want to get full training about Forex, the FX market, then you need to hit me at Dubiss One. You join our academy, Dubiss Forex Academy, run academy. All right. For this analysis, we we are just giving you the direction of the market. If you want to learn both smart money concept, everything, then you need to join our academy so they understand more. All right, so you can see that it's going towards our TP2, which is 50.0. Then the TP3 is 61.8. So congratulations once again, over 400 pips from CAD JPY. Then for USD JPY, remember USD JPY, I told us that when here was broken, I told you price last week price could retest here, which actually price was going down or up to retest here. I said from here price will go down. So for last week I told you that price from this zone we do what? We fall. Eventually price respected it, come down, and on Friday and today price is also going up. Remember I told you that I'm not going to take USDJPY. So for those that enter the trade from here to here, it's already 100 something. So I know you must have booked profit. Now price have hit break even for those that entered, and then you move your stop loss to entry point after moving 100 pips plus, and now it has hit break even. So now what are we expecting? What we're expecting now, since price have broken this back again, so what we're expecting is that price coming back again, as in if we see a good breakout, all right, then price retesting it as a support, because this is another scenario now. All right, we could see price move up more, retesting here as a support. So we need to watch out this zone very well to know what to do, either to buy, for those of you that are looking for a way to trade this trend. So currently you need to hold on first, don't rush and enter a buy. You need to wait and see price moving up first, coming back and testing here as a support before you continue to buy USDJPY. All right, then Euro NZ. Let's go to NZD press, NZD press, NZD press, and AUD press. Let's start with Euro AUD. We've already sent this trade to our paid group. We forwarded it to free group, and it's already hit our TP1. So right, I'm expecting this pair to move further down. Okay, so to give us M-like shape, so I'm expecting this pair to even probably break this particular zone and move further downwards. So I've already sent the trade, so go there, join the trade. It's still fresh. The same thing with let's GBAUD first before NZ. The same thing with GBAUD. All right, now look at GBAUD. Look at, we want to see also price to give us like M shape for GBAUD. Price, this could still be the bullish momentum is still intact, all right, but we are selling from this zone now. We are seeing that price has been respecting here. Look at how many days price stayed here. So we are expecting price to come down here, give us like M shape for a D leg. So this is like a harmonic pattern we want to trade here now. X, A, B, C, D leg. So before you buy, so we are selling, and this is a massive peep. So these have also hit TP1. This is a massive peep. This is already 100 something pips. So we are expecting price to move further down to hit this zone. Let's see how many pips this is. This is massive. All right, this is over 380 pips. we are looking for GBP. So let's go to Euro NZD and then GBP NZD. We call it a day. Euro NZD, same thing for Euro NZD, but we did not send this trade because this Euro NZD have not given us a very good setup for a sell because price could still move up and then to give us M-like shape. So we're already selling GBP, Euro. So when we see a confirmation for Euro NZD, we also enter the trade. But this is what we are also expecting for Euro NZD. Same thing with GBP NZD. You can see it, GBP NZD, same thing. You could see something like this. Sorry. You could see something like this also. Price moving up. So if I move up and yes, respected, and then we also see something like this as well. So last time we're buying GBP that should be like some weeks back and we make good profits. Right now we're looking for opportunity to sell GBP. So right now we have not sent the trade to the big group. So this analysis, this is part 2 of our weekly analysis. Today, 24th of March 2025. Guys, join our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. We have free channel. If you want the paid signal, reach me at Dubiss1. Follow us on all social media handles: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Dubiss Forex Academy. Follow me on Instagram, my personal page that I just created new, which is you can see there Chinedu Dubiss, or you see Chinedu Chikeze. Follow me on Instagram. Register with our Broker FXPRO. If you have not registered with our broker, please do so. Fund the account. Remember, on Monday, 31st of March 2025, we are going to go live with our weekly analysis. We'll go live. Join us that and NFP as well. Okay, let's just show you a small fundamental before we close. Let's look at small fundamental. Let's go to forexfactory.com. That's where we see for fundamentals. We always like to use Forex Factory. There are other ones. So you can see a lot of red folders on Euro today, but this didn't really move market much the way I anticipated. So there was a lot of red folder today. All right, put Euro, GBP, and USD. Okay, so let's look at tomorrow, Tuesday. We have CPI for EUD, CPI for GBP. We also have final GDP for USD, and that is on Thursday, and then Friday. All right, GDP for CAD, core PCE for US dollar. So if this is your first time of looking at our fundamentals, what we just do when it comes to fundamental is to look at the economic news, look at the red folders, which is high impact news, and then you look at the previous, look at the forecast. Once you open each folder, open it to tell you how it will affect the market and why traders care about this economic news. All right, so you look at it, but you wait for the outcome. The outcome will let you know how the market will react. Like here, actually, greater than forecast is good for currency. If this news come out and it's green like this, where it is, like you can see the ones that came out positive, the forecasted 2.8, that was December 24, it came out 3.1. So dollar will be strong at that moment. So you now know how to trade. So you just look at this to guide you regarding the pairs you want to trade. Trade with proper risk and money management. Thank you very much for joining our weekly analysis. See you next week. Bye for now. Cheers, everyone.